Hi guys! Welcome to MLK Ski Weekend 2022!
What's up? It's 2022 MLK Ski Weekend. It's your boy, Shad. We up in this piece. We got the Afrobeat, soca, reggae, all of that playing in the background. It's such a vibe. We're having a great time. People come together, they're fellowshipping, they're interacting, they're extending their networks with each other. We've done things like financial empowerment, motivational, MLK Speaks. I went out skiing, hitting the slopes, but I snowboard. We're listening to great vibes, great music here at Seven Springs Mountain Resort in Pennsylvania. So happy to be able to be out the house and to be able to be with all my friends that I haven't seen in at least a couple years. It's an amazing time. We up here, MLK Ski Weekend. Let's go.
From Houston's Ready to Love, and I just wanted to say I had a ball at MLK Ski Weekend, and I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. I've been here multiple times, and I want to encourage my followers, my friends, and all the viewers of my podcast on YouTube, Ages and Stages, to meet me next year at MLK Ski Weekend.
MLK Ski Weekend because you're surrounded with community, you have a good time, there's good parties. Comedy show, the comedy show is always the best part to me.
But I broke up with him. I got him back, y'all, because he hurt me. I broke up with him at karaoke. Brother, I never been true. No one said is that he loved me, but I never loved you. Now what should I do? Should I do a little drive-by? Should I fix his drink and put a peel inside?
This was the best thing I ever experienced in my life. It was my first time here. My friends have been coming here for years. I had a great time. It was crazy. The parties were crazy. Everything was super organized. Right now we're about to kick off this pajama party.
My name is Ebony, and I'm here with all my girlfriends from Miami, Florida, celebrating my 40th birthday at MLK Ski Weekend 2022. We're having a great time. Woo!
Join us next year at MLK Ski Weekend. Fun, friendships, new friendships, fellowship. You can learn a lot, have a great time skiing, learning how to ski. You can learn about finances and even exercise. So come and join us. Don't sleep on us. Follow us on the socials. #MLKSkiWeekend.com.